Namaskara, welcome to everybody here. Ganesh Bhatta, he has made the sankalpa of doing the avahana of 108 devatas, and every month there is a very beautiful havan organized in this very amazing natural temple, which is the Sri Vasuki Subramanya Swami Devasthana in Nagar Bhavi. We've had the privilege of attending it last month and we are attending it this month again. But I wanted to speak about what is special about this month's Havan. So what he has done is he has done the Avana of Chandra along with Rohini. And we all know that the moon is the ruler of the mind. It is the ruler of all our emotions. And every time there is a waxing and the waning of the moon, there seems to be an upheaval of emotions within us also. So the main prayer today is so that we gain sthirata, we gain a centeredness, and we are not swerved by too much pleasure or too much pain, but remain equanimous both in pleasure and pain. So today our biggest prayer is going to be for that. Apart from that, what he has also done is he has done the avarna of Devis, Durga, Ma Durga this time to give us all the energy and the power. Apart from that, also the nakshatras. And this time, interestingly, it is the Bharani nakshatra, and it is a pleasure to share some insights about the Bharani nakshatra because I share that star too. And Bharani is the nakshatra of birth, death, and transformation. It is a symbol in the yoni. So if you have to diagrammatically represent it, it is represented as a triangle. And it is all the ancient astrologers perceive this to be the portal between two worlds, between birth, death, and rebirth. The next nakshatra that he is doing the avahana of this time is Purva Falguni, and this is the nakshatra of comfort, pleasure, delight, and indulgence. So it is very important for us amidst all this work to also relax. And this is one nakshatra that teaches us how to relax even when we are accomplishing a lot of things. The symbol of this particular nakshatra is about Narayana reclining on a luxurious bed. The next nakshatra that we are going to be doing the avahana of is Purva Ashada. And this nakshatra is depicting joyous nature, and it's a very optimistic nakshatra. So I think amidst all that we are doing, it is where we are always usually shrouded with doubt. Doubt comes to us very fast, and this is one nakshatra which tells you to be optimistic. Its symbol resembles a seashell from which Venus emerges. So it is, very interesting. This nakshatra is also depicted as a fan. And why do we use a fan? I think he was using it a little while ago. He was blowing air. If he had a fan, it is to keep passion alive, to keep the fire alive. And sometimes fan is also used to cool ourselves off. And as it is also used as a decorative item, and sometimes we use a fan even to cover our face like this. That is to retain the mystery in all our nature. So every nakshatra has something important to tell us as a life skill. And this time we are celebrating these three nakshatras along with the moon and his favorite consort, who is Rohini. Thank you and welcome to the Havan.